Good morning, everybody. Sarah at Caddy Garage again. So today I'm going to try to finish up this car if it kills me. It's drug on much too long, and you guys are asking questions about when it's going to be for sale and available and things like that. I just want to finish getting it completely cleaned up and cleaned out so that we can honestly just, I can accurately represent the car and see what we have. So anyway, that's what I'll be doing today, and I hope you guys will follow along and watch me as you so faithfully do. Last night we hit 1,200 followers on YouTube. I cannot believe it. So thank you guys all so much, and let's get started. Okay, everybody, here we go. So I'm going to get started on the chrome. So as you'll remember, this part I did a couple days ago just to kind of see what it looked like. As you can see, it gets kind of foggy as you go this way, and then all this surface rust right here, I'm hoping that that should be able to come off. That shouldn't be a problem. I've actually taken off much worse surface rust. So let me just set up my camera here and we're going to get started. Oh yeah, that's gonna come right off. I love old chrome, you can't kill it. As you can see, with just a little tiny bit of elbow grease, that side looks really, really good. I'm gonna move on to the middle now. So you can see that it's really, really shiny and nice. All that surface rust right there came off. And then you'll move to the center here where you can see it gets kind of cloudy again, and you can see that surface rust. So we're gonna take that off as well. Chrome nowadays, especially in California, is so lame because we have so many, chemical laws here and things like that. But I just love the old chrome because typically you can always get it to come back. So you can definitely see the difference here at the bottom. You can see the side that I've done versus the side I haven't done. These barbaric license plate holder frame things are awful. I will try to get that off at a later date. Probably use some WD-40 because it looks like those screws are pretty rusted on there. But like I said, you can definitely see the difference in the chrome. This part that I've done, this part that I haven't done. Okay, everybody, just continuing on. I just wanted you to see the difference between left side, right side, or I should say right side of the car, backwards to me. Passenger side of the car, driver's side of the car. Definitely a huge difference. All right, everybody, there you have it for cleaning. Got all the surface rust off. As you can see, it looks nice and shiny and pretty. Very, very nice for original old chrome. I'm surprised. So as I said in my last video, unfortunately, I believe this car fell victim to kids and BB guns because there's BB gun marks in the other taillight on the other side. So I'm just going to finish busting out this glass because I don't want anybody to cut themselves, including me. And there's absolutely no need for it to be there. And before I start vacuuming, I just want to make sure I get it all out. All right, so now that we've got all the glass out, I'm just going to continue to take all the nastiness out so that we can finish vacuuming and things like that. Take the headliner out. Like I said yesterday, there's no salvaging any of this, so just get the car and start new. So I just wanted to show you guys this really quick. I've obviously unburied a little bit more, not completely yet, but I'm gonna be here a while. We're getting there. Anyway, this will look much better when it's clean. The rockers of this car are very, very solid right here, and obviously the jambs as well. I'm very pleased with the way that that looks. However, I am noticing right here, if you'll see that layer of concrete right there, it's literally like it's covering the floor. And I'm noticing that after you get past the rocker panel right here into the floor, you can see that that is obviously in need of a floor panel. So I don't know if these people were literally trying to put concrete in the floor of this car, but as you can see, this floor has rust right here where your feet go. In front of the front seat. The firewall so far looks really solid and nice. Obviously I can't tell yet because I haven't finished uncovering, but I just can't believe that I'm seeing a thin layer of concrete. It's like, are you kidding me? I mean, it's just, the stupidity of people really gets to me. So anyway, I will keep you posted as we continue and as I continue to unbury things. Did want to show you guys too real quick how nice the roof on this car is. I don't even see any dents in it anywhere. I have a few pieces of trim laying on it right there, but I mean the roof is just beautiful. No rust, no dents. That's the way we like to see them. So just getting started on our rear bumper here. As you can see, the rear one, excuse me, isn't in as good a shape as the front. It has a few holes here and there. Definitely not beyond repair. I've seen much worse. At least they're here and they're mostly solid. I wouldn't suggest getting things re-chromed in California though, because California's laws about chrome and things like that just ruins everything. Well, everybody, as you can see, we are getting there. Oh my gosh, I'm going to start the vacuuming process here pretty soon, and then some pressure washing. I got the rest of the headliner taken down. The roof is beautiful. As you can see, another wheelbarrow full of junk over there. But we are definitely getting there. Thank you guys, as always, so much for watching and putting up with all my crazy shenanigans with cars.